So the other day, Joe Henderson and Woody Shaw popped up in my YouTube feed, playing All the Things You Are. If you're not subscribed to Jazz Video Guy, you are missing out. It's a gold mine of live performances, documentaries, interviews, but halfway into Woody's first chorus, he plays this. Woo! And as usual, I'm wondering, how did he do that? In this case, the notes are very much inside of the harmony. On the 2 chord and the 1 chord, the notes are super diatonic, and on the 5 chord, it's notes from the altered scale. But what's interesting, of course, is which notes he chooses and how he kind of moves these building blocks around. Now, if you listen to this live recording, it's low in pitch. I actually first thought that they played the tune a half step down, but I can see on Woody's fingerings that it is in the original key. So this is the phrase. Yeah. And if we put this in context, in for instance on Green Dolphin Street, so if we want to implement some of this more modern vocabulary into our own playing, we could try to dissect what is happening. So if we go back to G major, we start on the root of the minor chord, so it's an A. There we have the first 3 notes of a major scale. The same thing, half note down, right? That means we have the 4 first note of minor pentatonic scale. So if we add that note as well, half step up, we suddenly have the start of 2 minor pentatonic scales. Now on the 1 chord we only have 2 notes, but if we kind of connect the dots we could end up with a major pentatonic scale there, or just the first 4 notes again. That way we have a stepwise movement downwards with pentatonic scales, or they have another name when it's only 4 notes, but it's almost like a pentatonic scale, we just omit the last note. Minor pentatonic, half step down to another minor pentatonic, half step down to a major pentatonic. And this is if we start on the 5th note of the minor chord. So then we start to use that material to create our own phrases. Maybe something like... or... and we can of course expand upwards and downwards. So this is one way to implement phrases you hear and really like into your own playing. Check out this video if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.